Resin 3D printing has gained popularity among companies seeking accuracy and intricate detailing in their parts. But how do we optimize the process from start to finish? Here we have the Origin 1 printer, which offers high-quality DLP prints. Once the parts are complete, we will remove them from the printer. Next, we'll need to remove the excess resin from these parts. Traditionally, post-processing resin parts like this involved using IPA baths for cleaning along with manual scrubbing. To resolve the common obstacles in traditional post-processing, use the automated resin removal solution, the PostProcess DEMI 430. The solution provides an automated solution combining hardware, software, and chemistry. The Origin 1's build platform pairs with the DEMI 430. The parts can be processed on the build tray with one of our custom slotted fixtures, or be removed and processed in the baskets, depending on user preference. The hardware, software, chemistry easily removes the excess resin in under 10 minutes per batch. After processing in the DEMI 430, we recommend a final rinse in our AUX 400 rinse solution. Embrace the future of 3D printing. Increase part consistency, enhance repeatability, and streamline your post-processing workflow, all without the risks associated with IPA. Elevate your additive manufacturing workflow today with post-process.